Welcome to 215 Windsor Point Road, Unit C. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, first floor apartment in the Windsor Lake neighborhood in Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-77, Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front. You can see right under the sort of covered entry to the unit, you have the front door and then also a storage unit to the right there. As you can see also, there's open parking out in the lot out front. The unit's been nicely updated throughout inside with luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as updates in the bathrooms and in the kitchen as well, including tile flooring in the baths. So you step into the home, into the living room. As you can see, you have a couple windows out towards the front yard. You have a ceiling fan in here as well. And the living room also has some built-in shelving, as well as a recessed area or a nice laundry closet with an included stackable washer and dryer, which is very convenient. To the right side, off the entry, you have the dining area that's open to the kitchen. A couple windows out towards the front for some nice natural light. And you have chair rail molding in the dining area that continues into the kitchen as well. Kitchen's been updated fully with nice white cabinets. And you also have included appliances. There is a refrigerator, electric range, as well as dishwasher, nice sink or faucet fixture there as well. So we have 2 bedrooms off a small hall here. Immediately to your right, you have your full bathroom, which has nice tile flooring, as well as updated vanity, mirror, and then you also have a shower and tub in here. Your second bedroom, smaller of the two, is right off that hall and bathroom. You can see the closet there, sort of a small walk-in there in the corner. And both the bedrooms face the back of the property. You have a linen closet here, right before the primary bedroom, which you can see is a nice size, a bit larger. You have an open closet on this side. And then you have a half bathroom accessible as well. You have matching tile flooring in there. And a single vanity. And that pretty much wraps up our tour of the property. So again, the address here is 215 Windsor Point Road. This is Unit B downstairs. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.